One of the biggest problems we face as online sellers, especially those of us selling digital products on Amazon, is this. We spend hours creating high-quality digital products, from children's books to many other types of printables, with a very professional level of design. But despite all that effort, we still struggle with low sales. One of the main reasons this happens, even when our products look amazing, is that we don't create promotional videos and marketing images to share across the internet and social media. As a result, we're missing out on a huge number of potential customers who could be buying our products. That's exactly why I made today's video. Stay with me until the end, and you'll be able to create professional promotional videos for any product you own with just one click. In this video, I'll be using the amazing platform VlogMe.ai. You'll find the link to the platform in the pinned comment and also down in the description. Now, let's jump straight into the practical tutorial. For this example, I already have this coloring book that we created in a previous video, and I want to make a promotional video for it so I can post it on social media and drive traffic to my website without ever appearing on camera myself. So, how can we do that in a professional way? Let's head directly over to the VlogMe website. Right away, you'll notice that the main dashboard is clean, organized, and very easy on the eyes. The primary feature is the video creation mode, but you can also generate images, voices, and many other types of content from the same platform. If we open the Create section, you'll be able to create videos by simply adding a few images and a script, and we'll be using that feature in just a moment. If we switch over to the Lab section, you'll find every image, video, and project you've previously created using the platform, which keeps everything organized in one convenient place. One feature I really like about this platform is the Trending section. Here, it shows you the latest trending topics and content ideas that are currently performing well online. That means you can use these trends to create videos that have a much better chance of going viral across social media. And that's a fantastic feature that really sets this platform apart. There's also the final section called Social. From here, you can connect your social media accounts and automatically publish your videos directly to your platforms, making your entire workflow simple, organized, and managed from one dashboard. Now, let's get back to the main goal of today's video, creating a promotional video for the coloring book we saw at the beginning. The first thing I'm going to do is head over to the image creation section so I can generate an avatar that I'll use throughout my videos. And I highly recommend that you use the same avatar consistently in all of your videos because it helps build your brand and makes your content more recognizable over time. You'll find many powerful tools here, starting with AI image generation using prompts, image editing, and several other creative features that we'll be using in many future projects. As you already know, we care a lot about design because we're digital product sellers, so these tools will be incredibly valuable for us. Now, to create the avatar professionally while keeping the cost as low as possible, all I need to do is scroll down and choose the dimensions I want. I'm selecting the 9:16 aspect ratio, so it's perfectly optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other vertical videos. After that, I'll describe the avatar I want in detail inside the prompt box. The more specific your prompt is, the better your final result will be. Once everything is ready, all I have to do is click the Run button. And within just a second, take a look at the avatar it created. It looks cheerful, professional, and exactly what I was hoping for. As you can see, I asked the AI to generate the avatar inside a children's room with books in the background, so it perfectly matches the style and branding of our coloring books and other kids' products that we're creating. And the best part is that the generated image is automatically saved inside the Lab section, so it's always available whenever you want to use it again in future projects. Now I'm going to head back to the main dashboard and click on the Video Creation section. This is where things become incredibly simple. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is that it saves you a tremendous amount of time and money. Every step you complete is reviewed by the platform, and it even provides helpful suggestions to improve your video, making it look professional from the very first attempt. That means you don't have to spend hours figuring everything out on your own. The platform actually guides you throughout the process. All you need to do is upload the images you want to include in your video. I'll start by uploading the avatar we created together just a few moments ago. Then I'll add the interior pages of our coloring book along with the book cover. As you remember, we created this coloring book together in a previous video. Once all of our images are uploaded, we're ready for the next step. And this is where the platform becomes even more impressive. The great thing about this platform is that you don't have to write a long, detailed, or complicated prompt. Instead, all you have to do is type the script you want the avatar to say in the video. That's it. The AI automatically understands your script, analyzes it accurately, and transforms it into a professional-looking video without requiring any prompt engineering at all, which is absolutely amazing. It's going to start building the video based entirely on your script. So let's see what kind of results it gives us. If we scroll down, you'll notice that the platform has generated all of the scenes and placed them one below another so you can review everything before rendering the final video. If there's any scene you don't like, you can simply delete it or edit it with just a few clicks. It also created separate scenes featuring only the avatar, as well as additional scenes where the avatar appears alongside the book visuals. Everything is organized in a way that makes editing incredibly easy. For this particular video, I intentionally made the avatar the main focus because, in my opinion, avatar-style videos are performing extremely well on social media right now. These are the kinds of videos that often become trending content, so I wanted the avatar to be speaking throughout most of the video. Once we've reviewed all of the generated scenes and made any adjustments we want, all that's left to do is click the Generate Video button, and within just a few seconds, the platform starts rendering the final version. Now let's watch the final result after the video has finished generating.
If your kids are constantly asking for more screen time, try this instead. I recently found this cute animals coloring book for kids, and it's honestly been a great activity. It's packed with adorable, easy-to-color animal pages that are perfect for young kids. And since it's a printable PDF, you can print their favorite pages as many times as they want. It's a fun way to keep them creative, entertained, and away from screens for a while. If you're looking for an easy activity your kids will actually enjoy, I definitely recommend checking it out.
Wow, this is honestly one of the best AI avatar videos I've seen. This platform does an outstanding job when it comes to avatar-based video creation. And as we all know, this style of content is one of the biggest trends on social media right now. And the best part is that you can customize absolutely everything in the video, from the voice, to the colors, to trimming unwanted sections, and so much more. Literally every part of the video can be edited using the built-in tools, giving you complete control over the final result while keeping the entire process fast and incredibly professional. And that's not all. If we head back to the main dashboard once again, and open the Video Studio section, you'll discover even more powerful options for creating AI videos. Starting with image to video, the platform also lets you create videos using a start frame and an end frame, giving you much more creative control over your animations. You can also generate high-quality talking avatar videos with just a few clicks. Simply upload your avatar image and add your voice. And if you don't have a voice recording yet, no problem. You can generate the voice directly inside the same platform. As you can see, everything is organized in one place. You'll also find several text-to-video tools along with professional video editing features. Everything you need for your content creation journey is available inside one complete platform. Now let's go back to the first feature, image to video. The process here is incredibly simple. All you have to do is upload the image that you want to animate. For example, I created this image of children coloring inside our coloring book. I'll upload that image here, and then I'll write a simple prompt. I only want a very short animation showing the children naturally coloring the pages. Nothing complicated. That's all it takes. Now take a look at the result. Wow, it's absolutely incredible. The animation looks smooth, natural, and professional right from the very first generation. I didn't have to go through multiple attempts or spend time making endless adjustments. Getting a result like this on the first try is honestly impressive, and it's exactly the kind of content that grabs attention on social media. But it doesn't stop there. As Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify sellers, we also need professional mock-up images for our product listings. So how do we create those? It's just as easy with VlogMe. We'll simply go back to the image creation section, upload our book cover, I'll use this cover as an example, and then type a simple request asking the AI to generate a professional mock-up image that's suitable for an Amazon product listing. And within just a second, look at the result. It looks amazing. This is exactly the type of professional mock-up that can make your product stand out on Amazon, Etsy, and other marketplaces. My advice is to start creating promotional videos for your books today and begin sharing them across your social media platforms. It's one of the most effective ways to increase traffic to your listings and ultimately boost your sales. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.